The magnesium test kit effectively tests and provides a balanced magnesium aquarium. The magnesium test kit can perform up to 50 tests. The test will measure accurate steps of color change in tank. The package weight of the product is 0.5 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Great test for MG in saltwater, must be shipped in a box, not bubble pack. Easy and accurate for testing magnesium in saltwater aquariums. I've used this for years and it's excellent. That said, open your shipment carefully, doubly so if it arrives in a soft bubble pack envelope. The box includes a red or pink removable tip for the reagent syringe. That tip can go missing if the box is crushed. It's harder to go missing if it arrives in a box. Return the product unused, for a replacement if the tip is not present. It's required for accurate testing.